He was deported when I was 13, and from then on we had a phone conversation once every 6 months at best. I saw him maybe a few more times. Like you, I always thought being a cat mom is my happily ever after shirt. He died last November and I was wrecked for at least 2 weeks. I wished I would have at least tried to get to know him better as an adult. But now that's not. Being a cat mom is my happily ever after shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. Being a cat mom is my happily ever after shirt, sweatshirt, tank top, V-neck, hoodie. In the last 7 years or so, as I've taken more and more responsibility, I've grown to despise him and dealing with him. Our relationship began to crumble sometime before that, but being a cat mom is my happily ever after shirt in ongoing circus of malpractice doctors, feisty, bored, kids, his confused mind, state and all the random chores and tasks he wanted done, then was met with generalized and specific other product.